sides. Actual autograph from the artist, which is fun. Dual humbucking pickups and volume and a 3-way switch. This one, I don't know the color. It's gold, obviously, but it's got a name for the gold. The reason that I have it is there's a problem with the potentiometer, and I'm going to take a look at that. But first, I'm going to see if I can determine the problem. So on this particular guitar, this knob controls the neck pickup. It's a part of John Five's way of jamming. This way he can do volume swells and whatnot when he's on the treble pickup. But yeah, obviously this neck pickup pot is having issues. So I ordered Mojo, and these are not going to work out for the knobs, but it's okay. I got some extras, and these are smooth, and this is probably the way to go anyway. Nice smooth shaft pot, and these are going to be a lot different than what's in there. I just happen to have a assembly of John 5 pickups, all of the pieces that go with it. I got this off of Reverb. I've worked on this guitar before in the past. I really enjoyed the sound of it, and so I ordered this, got a good deal on Reverb, and these pots are just kind of, not the best, so it'll definitely be an upgrade to this guitar to put this pot in, and also I'll be able to talk a little bit about soldering and stuff for some of my work that I do. So also I'll get to jam on a John 5 custom Telecaster. So that's what I'm going to be up to, and we'll talk more about it as we go.